Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to spy on your competitors on Facebook, and it's pretty easy. If this is the first time that you're joining us on this channel, I want you to like this video so that all the people can see it and follow me for more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do if you want to spy on your competitors is to go to Google and search for Facebook ads library. Right, so once you get to Facebook ads library, just click on it and you're going to see share the meta ads library, and we have other things like meta ads library and we have the ads library. So it's either you look for this or you come and click on the first one. So I think the first one is actually pretty okay, so just click on it. All right, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular page. Now this is where the magic happens. Now let's say that you are in the United Kingdom. All right, just select United Kingdom. If you want to select other countries like United States, just select United States. And if you want to select, say for example, Africa, Nigeria, just select Nigeria. So in this case, let's go with United Kingdom, and then this ad category, you can decide on which category you want to search for. For example, let's say you want your audience are in the issues, elections, or politics. If you're a politician or you run advert for politicians, this is a good way to go about it. If you are in the housing niche, you want to choose this. If you are in the employment niche, you want to choose it. And if you're in the credit, you want to choose this. Else, you can just go on with all. So we're going to do some of them. So I'm going to go with all first. Then I'll come back to perhaps either issues, elections, or politics, or I will go with housing. So let's go with all ads. Then here, you want to search for, so these are some of the things that I've searched for before. So let's say that you are into what niche can you suggest now? So let's say you are into cleaning. So you want to click on cleaning, right? So now this is generic. So if you are into, for example, let's say you are into house cleaning, you want to put house cleaning, but let's just use a generic word, okay? A broad keyword, so to say. So click here. So, and as you can see, in the United Kingdom, these are some of the ads that are being run on Facebook. All right, these are ads that are active, right? I mean, these are ads that are actually launched in May 2024. All right, so if you scroll down, you see we have as a lot of people are actually running ads that deal with cleaning. Now let's say, if you are into cleaning, that means that your competitors are running ads. So you want to see what kind of ads they are running, how they are targeting their audience, and so on and so forth. You can even look at what platforms they are using to run the ad. And I'm going to show you how to know all of that. So here you can see that this ad by Belfast Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning Services. And this is their page. They have like 2,403 likes on their page. So this is their website. All right. But then you see that the only platforms, that means they are using custom audience in this case. The only platform they are running ads on are Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so you can click here to see all ads. Then if you look at here, you see that they are running advert that send people to WhatsApp. So they are using WhatsApp to run their ads. And if you click on here, let's go to view all ads and see what happens. So this is the way the ads looks like, right? And you can see there are copies as well. Carpet, upholstery, upholstery, steam cleaning. So that is what they offer. They say Belfast Carpet. So they are targeting people most likely in Belfast. Okay. You can copy the link and save it somewhere if you like. About the advertiser, if you come here, you will see, these are the about the advertiser. Now let's close this and look at other ones. If you also want to look at their website, okay. If you come here, you see that they have a website here. So if we click on here, let's open it another link. This is the way their website looks at the moment. Get a free code. So they're offering free code. They have reviews. and all of that. So these are the things that you can look out, check what your competitors are currently doing, and you can steal what they are doing actually. So let's move on to the next one, cavalry cleaning. So this one, they are running adverts on Facebook, Instagram, and audience network. So you see, many of them actually run on audience network as well. So most likely this website, this business is using what we call the Advantage Plus audience targeting, platform targeting. You can see, right? So they are running on all the platforms as well as all of this, but this ones, they're only running on Facebook and Instagram. Now let's look at this. You look at the first one that we looked at, they only run ad with image, but these ones are using video, right? This one use video. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see what kind of video they use. So here they just use the video of one of their staff, possibly doing a cleaning. And if you click on here, you'll see the ad in detail, right? So you see all the copy. Attention market, Hamborough to catering to outdoor area homeowner. So this one is targeting people in this area. So he mentioned, or they mentioned, this area, so as to ensure that people in that area, kind of stop scrolling to see what they're offering. And now look at what they're doing. It says sick and tired of having a dull and ugly looking home and a miserable, dirty or moss covered roof. When was the last time they were washed and cleaned? That's a very good question. So, and then they say we're giving away a free super shine package with every roof clean. So this is a powerful offer. They said so with the roof clean, here's everything else you get. So when you click on get code to get a free code for your roof and like that. And here they said window cleaning. So it's what this, but they're giving it for free and all of that. Also get 30% off full driveway pressure wash, right? So click to get code. So here you see they are running adverts, sending people, it seems like they're sending people to a Facebook Messenger. So Facebook doesn't allow me to check that at the moment, but you see that is a Facebook Messenger. So get code. So that is something that you want to check as well. And you can see that they are running adverts, targeting all platforms. And then we have here the same website. So you see, they are not just running one ad, they are running about 4 ads. Wow. Cavalry cleaning. So if you're into cleaning, you want to run as many ads as possible because these guys are killing it. See, look at the ad again. Right, so dear homeowners in this and surrounding areas, then dear homeowners in this and surrounding areas, calling all markets, whatever, then they use image here. And then if you check this, they also use image. So they are using 2 images, all right, and 2 videos. And then they show a video of roof cleaning as well. So when you're running your advert, these are the things that you want to look at. So let's scroll down. You see they run, this is like 8 adverts already that they're running at the same time, and all their adverts are active. So it means that there's money. That means that these adverts are working. Wow, see all of their ads, man. Wow, guys, cavalry cleaning is something else. They're running a lot of ads. So now look at this ad as well. Window cleaning. This guy is having, most of them are running advert to Facebook Messenger for people to send them a message on Facebook and not necessarily website. Right. So now that is for cleaning service. Now let's say that you're running advert. Let's say that you're an affiliate marketer. So you search for affiliate marketing. Now let's see advert in the affiliate marketing niche, right? So we only have this on the top, right? So this one's launched in May. This one's were launched in April. So no one is running advert in affiliate marketing in May here. So it means that this is something you want to check out. So if you click on this, right? So it leads us, this is the page of this particular website for anyone looking for profits online in 2024. 2-day first commission challenge. Course reviews how to get started with the new and improved type of affiliate marketing that hundreds are using to make 10K per month without a website, creating content, capital experience, or sell anything. And it's selling this for only $7, right? So if so these are something that you want to check, right? So whenever you're running advert, make sure to come here and look at what your competitors are doing, right? So in April, there are lot of there are a lot of adverts in April. Now, if you are into, let's go back to that our housing now and see what kind of advert we have in housing. So if you click on housing, right, and search for property. So let's search for property. So housing is usually property as well. So you want to, if you're running advert in housing, right, special, this is housing, okay, property. So you're going to search that as well. So you see here, it's a breaking news for landlords. I love that. Historic deal tenant is going to bring huge changes to landlords. The UK has released outline details of renters reform white paper, blah, blah, blah. And then you see they're also running advert to Facebook. So this might not be necessarily Facebook Messenger, like I was mentioning earlier. It seems like it's a Facebook form, all right? So such that, when somebody clicks on the advert, they will go to Facebook and submit their details on Facebook, basically. So you see all of them, many of them are using Facebook form as well. So those are special ad category. If you go to, employment or credit, you'll be able to see basically, knowing your audience matters a lot. So when you know your audience, okay, it is that time you'll be able to know what to search for. So let's say that you're into forest, okay, so go back to all category, all ads, and search for forest. So if you're into crypto too, you can search for that. You see different adverts. So this can give you idea of what kind of ad to run or what kind of ads are working. Because for people to continue to run ads, it means that these ads are most likely working. Can you see? Can you see? So guys, that is how to, spy on your competitors, see what platform they are running ads on. You can even look at the kind of messages they are using, right? The kind of ad creative they are using, if it is image or video. You also be able to know the platforms. Of course, I've mentioned that. And then you also if they have a website like this one, you can check what they're offering on their website. Okay. So I hope you got value from this. All right. If you have any question, remember to use the group for your questions, or you can check the comment section below and then ask your questions. So guys, remember to follow me for more videos like this. Like this video so that other people can see it, and subscribe so that you know when I drop latest videos, because I'll be dropping free videos for you guys. Okay, so make sure to subscribe so that you know when I drop these videos. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Bye.